Hello, hello, hello again. So here's the loot I got from my latest Nordstrom store tour. Hopefully I put that video up by now. But yeah, found 3 items. And let's see, 2 are for me, 1's a gift. So I'll start with the gift because the child already knew what she's getting. She told me what she wanted. So, my niece loves perfume. You should see her her room in my girlfriend's house. And she was out of this. And so she told me, and I was like, okay, I'll keep an eye out for something. Walking to Nordstrom Rack, there's a whole row. There's a whole display of Vince Camuto. And she specifically likes the blue one. What? And can we say discount? Oh, no. Oh, well. Where's the price? Oh, down there. Oh, well, it almost worked. Discount over here. Here we go. So separately, I guess, it would be this amount. Less than 50% off. I mean, more than 50% off. Excuse me. So she's getting her full-size perfume, a body cream, and then a travel spray. I took a quick picture of it while I was in Nordstrom Rack and sent it to her. She was like, yay! So she was so excited. She really is a good kid. So this is for my niece. You're welcome, niece. You're still not getting it till Christmas, though. Oh, gosh. And then I went perusing in the shoe area and found these fabulous bad boys. Now, this is my girlfriend's house. I'm over at a friend of mine's house. She went to go pick up her grandson. So I was like, oh, let me shoot this video right quick before he comes, because once he comes, there's gonna be a bunch of noise and I'll be hanging out with him. But I showed these to her just before she left. And she's like, what kind of 1970s grandma shoes are these? I was like, what? And then I even tried them on for her. She was like, can you get your money back? I don't care. They're cute to me. Stuart Weitzman. And I like, there's a little, do you see? It's not just all white. It's white and cream. And you know, you got a little bit of that square-ish toe action going on now. I thought they were cute. I still think they are cute. She talked about me like a dog. Not really. But I mean, look, nice size heel. And then it was it a clear the rack day? I can't remember, but it ended up being 93, something like that. So, you know, I ended up getting about 75% off. It was a few dollars less than this. So I'm like, you know what? These are cute. And I was like, these are really cute. She was like, yeah, that's a good price. Yeah, maybe. And then she saw this, worn and refurbished. That did it for her. She was like, nope, 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 nope. She said, these aren't even your shoes. I said, yes, they are. I don't care about anybody wearing a pair of shoes before. You know what I mean? Like, we do everything pre-loved. Like, I love anything used is fine with me as long as it's still in good condition. Anyways, I love my shoes. So I'm going to wear it around, you know, a couple times at home on the carpet to make sure they fit. Because sometimes what happens is, Stuart Weitzman I usually wear an 11, which is fine. But every once in a while, the design, the style of a shoe will get me. And so I'll wear it for a little bit and all of a sudden my feet are like, ooh, no, I don't like this. And it particularly, especially I should say, happens with sandals. And on top of that, strappy sandals. I tried them on there. I walked around a little bit. They seem fine. But I'm going to give it a little more time. But I love these. Aren't these cute? I think they're so cute. And I think these will be perfect for summertime. Throw them on with some jeans or a dress or whatever. So, girl, you can kiss my behind. She's not here, but you know. There you go. Now, the big deal that I found, I cannot believe I found this for 50% off. And this will be a good intro into the giveaway that I'll be doing. So every time I go into Nordstrom Rack, I hit the purse area first. This was like the second bag I saw, and my eyes zoomed in. And I'm like, no way. Is that really the Rogue Barrel Bag, and that's what I'm calling it. I don't know what the correct name is, but it has the Rogue handles and has the Rogue aesthetics to it. So it's going to be the Rogue Barrel Bag in my eyes. Bam. Ah, look at it. Ah, oh my gosh. It still gives me, oh, I love it. I just love it. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. Oh, one of the things I love, it has the Rogue handles. These handles stand the test of time. Let me tell you, I have 6 Rogues. I have 2 25s, 2 satchels, and 2 regular size Rogues. Well, actually, technically I have 3 regular size Rogues, but I'm about to give one away in a giveaway. So, here she is. And I'm also gonna do a updated bag collection with mod shots, so you guys will be able to see everything, but it came with everything. Look at that. Front kiss lock. Look at that goldenrod interior. Oh, it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. 1941 key tag. Hang tag, I should say. Oh. Oh, it doesn't say 1941 on it anymore. Huh. Let me look at the other things. Yeah, this is 1941. Okay, it's 1941. I don't care. Oh yeah, there we go. 1941. So 1941. Let me open up the interior. I love it. It's like a little mini satchel. Instead of the, you know, I have the Rogue satchel in oxblood and in black. Love them both. And this is like a little mini version. Look at that. No one uses bag. Look, stuff's still on it. No one uses bag. It is beautiful. So I'm like, okay then, this is a beautiful bag. Let me go ahead and see what this price is. Let me see what's going on with this price. Turned it around, looked at it. Oh wait, where's the price? Oh, there it is. Y'all, 50% off. I love it. Absolutely love it. Can't do no better than if you went to the outlets. Absolutely love it. Now, possibly, I will say this. Sometimes at the outlets, you know, things are discounted and then they hand out coupons that say, oh, take an additional 10% off today, 20% off today, what have you. Every once in a while, you'll even hit a day and it's really 60% off. I've been keeping an eye out for a chalk Rogue satchel for at least a year now. There's a particular condition I want, and there's a particular style that I want. All those bags are still like $400 or $500, but I can get a newer bag in the color I want, barrel style, for $200. Listen, I am beyond ecstatic. I am just so happy right now. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Just beautiful. The quality of 1941 and the design of the Rogue bags in general, I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, so as I mentioned, I will be doing a giveaway. I mentioned it, I think like a month or 2 ago that, what do you guys think about doing a giveaway? Because it is going to be a pre-loved Rogue bag. And, you know, thank you for everyone who commented, and thank you. I don't check DMs. I need to check my DMs or emails, but I don't know if anybody DM'd me, but I am definitely going to do the giveaway. I am going to be giving away my what am I guessing for? It's right over here. Oh my goodness, that's her cat. This will be the Rogue I'm giving away, but I'm actually going to go ahead and get her, what do you call it? I guess you can call it a Coach spa. I'm going to take it into the store and have them, you know, clean her up for me. And then I'm going to do the official announcement with all the rules and everything. I've never done a giveaway before, so this is going to be interesting. But yes, this is a beauty. This is a Rogue. Comes with everything. Hang tag. There's everything in here. Everything that came with it is still in it. Here we go. The straps, the dust bag, the whole 9 yards. And what's even nicer is I just realized this is my 5th year on YouTube. 5 years, can you believe it? So this is going to be a 5-year giveaway. I am going to put this up probably in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, so I just want to give you guys a heads up. This will be what I'm giving away. I'm gonna go take it in the coach, get her nice and cleaned up for you. And yeah, that's it. So let's see here. It's better lighting. There y'all go. But either way, that's the giveaway. This is my haul. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.